Indulgent black bottom Java cream tart recipe. Hello, fellow dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to whip up a decadent delight, our black bottom Java cream tart. This exquisite dessert combines the rich flavors of chocolate and coffee in a velvety cream filling, all nestled in a buttery tart crust. It's a treat that's sure to impress at any gathering. So, let's dive into the recipe and satisfy those sweet cravings. Ingredients. For the tart crust: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 large egg yolk, 1 tablespoon ice water. For the chocolate ganache layer: 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. For the Java cream filling: 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a food processor, combine the flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Pulse until combined. Add the cold cubed butter and pulse until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add the egg yolk and ice water to the mixture and pulse until the dough comes together. Press the dough evenly into the bottom and up the sides of a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom. Prick the bottom with a fork and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Once chilled, bake the tart crust in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely. While the tart crust is cooling, prepare the chocolate ganache layer. In a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Remove from heat and add the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth and creamy. Spread the ganache evenly over the cooled tart crust and refrigerate while you prepare the Java cream filling. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in a tablespoon of hot water. Set aside to cool. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until smooth. Add the granulated sugar and beat until creamy and well combined. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Fold in the cooled coffee mixture and vanilla extract. Gently fold the coffee whipped cream mixture into the cream cheese mixture until smooth and well combined. Spread the Java cream filling evenly over the chocolate ganache layer in the tart crust. Refrigerate the tart for at least 4 hours or until set. Once set, slice and serve your indulgent black bottom Java cream tart. Enjoy every luxurious bite. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this irresistible black bottom Java cream tart. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to share your creations with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.